SPX and stocks, I don't have a one most specific guess, but I do have very precise and exact thresholds or thoughts on when I do have a good guess. So let me take a look at the two main options and when I know which one to guess. So let's dive in there. This is the drawing that I'm not trying to draw. This is the market cycle high back in around the new year, right? And you are seeing over a year of price action in this beautiful range. So if you're new to my channel, you haven't seen price look this sexy within a chart, then go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to keep you in the know and break things down with simple to read charts with very clear rules. What is happening here in general, the way I'm viewing it is this. Price recently got rejected below the top of the line, and it rallied technically from the bottom of the point of control, right? So if you rally from the bottom of the point of control, your rally will often go to the top. So the big question in my mind is this: as we're rallying off of here, is it simply doing a higher low before continuing its journey, or is it just going to break down before touching this line? That's my main question. See, once again, rallied from where? The bottom of the point of control, 2 times in a row, right? Where did it go? To the top. Bottom of the point of control, rally. Where did it go? Not to the top. So I'm trying to figure out, is this going to happen, or is it going to hit the top? Okay? All right. So if it's not going to hit the top, that means this can be a local low. Here, let me zoom in more. Let me go to a 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour chart looks a little bit better. All right, so if it's not going to hit the top, then that was as high as things are going to go over this attempt from the bottom of the point of control, right? And if that's the case, this line up here, top channel line, will continue to act as resistance. So this is essentially my threshold here. If price is below here, or for every inch, let's say, for the lack of a better unit of measurement, for every inch or unit below here is a better chance that it won't hit there. Does that make sense? But you don't seal its fate of not touching this line until it's back below this channel line. So it still has a chance, right, to come up here, but it's less than 50% because it's below this line right now. And that's how I would draw things down. I don't want to guess which one. If I had to guess, I would guess it stays below this line. And so right now, that next line up over the next few days is going to be around 38.80. Yeah, 38.75. If you can make it a horizontal, which it's not, right? Because it's slanting down. So this is kind of my line in the sand there right now. So below it, more midterm time frame bearish, and above it, you're going to hit up to here, and then extremely likely get rejected. Hopefully you weren't looking for something more micro than that. I went down to the 1 hour chart. That's more small term time frames, but that should give you a good understanding of what I'm thinking here. I'm not trying to figure out. To me, it's not important to know, how is it going to bounce around these two? No. I want the bigger consequences. Was this it? Therefore, this is a lower high that's getting ready to break down, or is it going to charge up here? And that's all I care. What it does between here, I'm not worried about. I'm worried about it getting above here or getting below there. Until then, I know that right now, it's a better chance that it breaks down because it's below this line, but it's not. The fate is not sealed. And that's how I would look at SPX right now.